What's up, everyone? Mr. Jeff the Custodian here. Look, we got some new squeegees today, and this is a little combo kit because I know a lot of y'all out there don't really know what to use, maybe if you've never used a window squeegee before. But this is all together, your window mop and your squeegees all together. And I've never seen one like this. These come in today. We ordered some, and I'm going to try this out here in a few minutes. But the mop is actually flat. It don't have that bevel on it. And what I really like about this is, like right here, it has this little clip, and your squeegee actually comes out, and it has this little button here on the back that you push down with your thumb, and your squeegee rubber actually slides out for a good quick change if you needed to turn this over or put you a new squeegee in. And it's all pretty quick. My only concern is I'm wanting to see if this is going to be tight enough across here that it doesn't bunch up together. And that just clips right back on there. And there you go. So, I mean, the tags are still on it. Haven't used it yet. And this is an Unger pole. This is an 18-foot pole. I've got a tall window I'm going to do here in a minute to try this out on. But the thing is that you use the mop side, and then you're just able to flip over and start squeegeeing your solution off, your dirty water. So I'm gonna go try this out, see how I like it. Okay, let's try this thing out here. I've got it soaked up really good. I'm gonna try side pulls first. Doing this while videoing is not that easy. So that works pretty good. The only thing I see with these been on the back, and I've had this problem before, is when you're closing out, turning a little bit too far, that window mop will leave a mark on your window like that. So you gotta be kind of careful with that. So now side pulls work good. Let's do some down pulls, pull downs. See what I mean? And I'm real bad about when I do my closeout, raising that up, so I have to remember that. But as long as I don't do that, that works good. So now let's do the fanning motion and see how fanning works. And this is a small window with a 14-inch squeegee to do a fan on. And trying to watch myself through the camera do this is not easy either. But fanning works very well. So, yeah. And I did those windows there with the squeegee with a pole. Done really good. It's just really hard with those angles right there when you're, you know, that's about 14 foot off the ground of that peak right there. So, or higher. So that's a little challenge, but done very well. Done very well. Didn't have to change anything. Just use that mop and flip that squeegee over and just start squeegeeing, man. That's awesome for doing high windows especially. My final thoughts on after using this squeegee is I'm impressed with this. I like the fact that you can change this rubber in this squeegee very fast. I was a little concerned about, you know, it being a little loose where it was going to leave a line on the window when I crossed over as I was wiping the solution off, and I did not find any issues with that. So if I had of, I would, you know, I'd crimp this right here a little bit and pull this squeegee tight and crimp it on the other end. But so far, so good on that part. The only thing I did, and it's probably my bad habit, and you've seen when I was using this, is when I'm closing out. When I say when I'm closing out, it's when I'm making that last swipe on the window, and when I get to the edge of that frame on the window or that seal, I like to turn up. That way it won't leave a water bead across the bottom of the window. Is, you know, I turn up and this here is bumping the window. But that is you know, my habit of what I do. But I like this much better than the round window mops because, I mean, you got this surface here when you're putting your solution on the window. That's the only thing that is hitting the window. And I like this flat surface of how it really gets everything on the window. And I'm just overall impressed with this little squeegee right here. I tried my best to find a link to these on Amazon where I can leave a link for you. If I find the link, I will leave one in the description below. But these come from Home Depot Supply Works. Home Depot carries Unger products. Lowe's carries the Ettore products. And I love Ettore products as well. Both of those are very good squeegees to use and window mops to use. But I really do like this little outfit right here. I know this was not a window cleaning video. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Actually, at the end of this video, I'm going to have a pop-up of a window cleaning video that I've done where I went into full detail several years ago. I do plan on making a window cleaning video, an up-close, video of where you can actually see me cleaning windows. And I can talk through, the different ways of cleaning windows, the way I mix solution cleaning windows and everything. But I tell you one thing, once you go to the SQUEEGEE system, it is absolutely awesome. And this thing also, man, I loved it on the pole. It was awesome. It was awesome. Hey, if you'd like to help support this channel, you can buy me a coffee, and I'll also leave a link in the description below how you can do that as well. Hey, go out there and clean some windows. Springtime is coming and pollen's going to be sticking to those windows. Then birds is going to sit on your windowsills and they're going to leave you some stuff to clean. Plus, people, they don't know how to use door handles and panic bars. They think if they put their hand on the glass, the door opens better. I don't get it. Have a great day.